2, 1, go!
Welcome to qualification match number 28 here at the Yakima SunDome District event. We are going through 44 of these just today out of a total of 54. We'll finish up the last 10 tomorrow. Pretty close race through the autonomous period. Almost a tie, actually. Yep, nope, just kidding. The last red scores get tallied up. 64 points. Over there on red to the Blue Alliance is 45. Looked like some of that came perhaps from tower climb. I didn't quite catch it. Up and over goes just tons of fuel into Red Alliance territory as the Velocity Raptors, that 9450 machine out of Woodinville, pass to their future selves and to their alliance partners just tons of fuel. We've seen this in most of their matches, trying to corral the fuel across. This time they have a fellow offensive counterpart in Chaos Theory who does a similar strategy sometimes and launches in a pretty similar mechanism to how Velocity Raptors does. Just drives through, and if you've ever watched snowblowers going through a sidewalk, that is exactly the effect with the fuel both Chaos Theory and Velocity Raptors apply. 140-something points and counting. It's not even worth checking in on the number until it's done. We'll just check afterwards. Minute and 20 to play. 160 points on the board. Let's see what Blue Alliance's answer to that is. Panther Robotics accepts the challenge out of Bonnie Lake over here. Just tons of fuel going airborne for Blue. But they have a hopper on their robot that they have to fully reload versus the just drive over it approach that Velocity Raptors and Chaos Theory apply. This slows down the overall cycle. Even though you can get a big burst all at once, you have to go reload, which takes time. None of that over here for Chaos Theory and Velocity Raptors. If there is a fuel, they will launch it at the hub, and it creates this continuous stream all the way through the shift. 216 points on the board for Red so far. Occasional defense coming over and saying hi, but honestly, maybe it's more of a congratulatory high five than an actual defensive effort. Fuel going in the hub over there on Blue a little bit early before the endgame period begins. Endgame, our hubs are both illuminated. So the early stuff won't count, but the stuff after the whistle will. More fuel coming over here from Red. At this point, it's just kind of scattershot. What can we find and what can we launch at the hub? 320 points and counting. 7 seconds left to play in the match. Both alliances have secured the energized bonus ranking point, but will Red get supercharged? Not looking likely. However, a tower climb at the end is a fun differentiator. We will tally up. Red Alliance wins qualification match number 28. 341 points to 170, and that'll be a 4 RP match, holding Chaos Theory up on top of your leaderboards there. Velocity Raptors moving up into 9th. Just 1 rank point added into the average of each of those Blue Alliance teams. Just